Stephanie King, one of the leaders with Media Mennonite Church, and we are at our work site today, Liz's home, doing a lot of different projects. Here we just have a fire going to try to get rid of a lot of the junk that we were picking up. There was a lot of bushes we were trimming. Here's the home that we've been painting. We got the second coat on most of it. So yeah, the kids have been working pretty hard and working at getting the job done. Colton is topping the tree so that it does not take down a bunch of things when it falls down, because it is growing into the wall here that goes into her basement. One of the bigger projects that we've been working on is leveling and raising the house. It was sinking and we raised it about 4 inches, which doesn't sound like much, but guys, it's a house. And here you can see they're painting a section of the porch white, so it should look a lot better when it's done.
Hi, I'm Mason from Honeybrook. We're here working at Becky's house. We're making really good progress today. We are planning on getting all the boards, or try to get all the floorboards in by the end of the day. I hope that we can maybe get the toilet in today. Just due to the extent of the damage, it was quite a long project and it took quite a bit of time to get it all cleaned out. So our main project was the bathroom, but we had to do some work on the flooring in the hallway just to be able to get to the bathroom, because there was some holes and it was just very rotted.
Hi, my name is Lauren. I'm from Honeybrook. We're here at the site, and we'll show you some projects that we've been working on today. Today we have been taking off more siding on the front of the house because it was not the greatest, and then we started putting the new siding on. We have to put chalk lines on every piece of siding that we want to put on to make sure that they're even and level with each piece and also with the other sides of the house. We've just been working on the siding today, and tomorrow we're going to start painting.